Good day, everybody. Welcome back to the studio. I'm doing a geode today, and I've just I just went around the edge of my board with some masking liquid, and I showed you the colors that I'm going to use and the resin, and I'm using my beautiful silicone spatula. I've already got my resin mixed up, and the molten gold has seized up a little bit, so I'm it's hardened a bit, so you just heat it up a little bit, and that's all you do to fix that problem. And now I'm just pouring my resin. I've mixed 200 milliliters of resin for this geode, which is 35 by 50 centimeters, so 4 colors and a molten gold. Look at that. These colors are new. These are all like neutral colors that I've mixed, and haven't actually named them properly yet. And I've got a little bit of crushed glass and some opal, white opal, all mixed with the resin, and some diamond dust, white crushed glass, fine crushed glass. This is the bomb, this. So just adding it to my glitter, and not my glitter, my glass and my gems, and mixing everything up nicely. Look how pretty that is. I've even got matching spatulas. How cool is that? Totally on purpose. But anywho, nice colors, and ready to go. Okay, here we go. So I've got my pastes and my glittery stuff all mixed up. Now this is an MDF board which has been cut out in the shape of a geode. So I have not primed this one. I know you should prime it, please do if you do, but this is just a quickie for me. So all I want to do is just put some of this mixed gems. This is a white opal and some crushed glass, so I'm just gonna put it around here. I know it's getting a little bit hard. What I'm gonna do is grab some just a little bit of alcohol to help it with the resin and melt it down a little bit. Now I'm just gonna spread it around now with my finger. That's all I'm doing. And I do have a little bit more that I might just pop in different areas. I do have some in the shop like this, and have some already cut out, so it's up to you what you do. And that it's just another stone that was accidentally in there. That is that. And I might just go, where should I put this one, or should I just do it? I'll just do the whole thing in the middle. Okay, that can be all just gems. I don't have a lot of battery left, so I better motor on. Get rid of all of that goodness. Put you out of the way and just spread it, sort of. And I like to let things fall where they want to fall. It does not have to be perfect. Nothing is really perfectly symmetrical in nature, but still perfect, if you know what I mean. So that's good. So I decided to do the voiceover this because the sound of the air conditioner blowing onto my microphone, and now the bird. There's always some noise around me. I'm telling you, it's never a peaceful moment. But anyway, golly. You know, the bird I refer to is my lorikeet. I've had her name's Chippy. I've had her since 2005. So what is she? 2005, 10, 16 years old. And she often thinks that I'm talking to her when I do these audios, because I like sitting outside, but yeah. Anyway, let's get back to the painting. I've got some of that frosty mint on there, and that is such a gorgeous subtle color. And these colors, they always look a little bit darker when they sort of set up and dry with resin. So oh, and this color, this is an amazing fawn. And you know, you can add white if you want to lighten the colors and make them more neutral. But I'm yet to do that. So I'm spewing because I'll lose some of that fawn, which is terrible. But you know, it is what it is. That's where the second coat or the second layer comes to the rescue. So just using my fingers now to just spread all that the resin around. There, I just showed you the color. It's really pretty, really nice, beautiful neutral color. And customers have been asking me, and distributors have been asking me for some neutral colors. So there I go. I just go and make some. Now I'm going around with my fingers, one finger rather, and just kind of lightly blending those together, and just picking up some of that fawn and smearing it onto that pink, just to create a little bit of a balance and an interest, you know. Now I know that this piece doesn't look like much at the moment, but I'm really excited because I've already started on the second layer, and I'm going to be adding some texture and some more elements to the actual piece, and some more shimmer, and oh my gosh, it's going to look great. So I know that, but you don't. You're going to have to wait for the next video and see what happened to my little cup there. I just thought I'll just heat up the gold, and the cup is so thin that it melted. Oh goodness gracious, but that's all right. It created a really nice funnel looking sort of thing that it was easy to pour out of. But things like this, just be careful, okay? Be careful. Now these lines are a little bit too simple, you know. I just go around with, you know, could have done a bit of a jiggle and that, but that's okay. Like I said, first coat and second coat is going to look marvelous. Oh gosh, you just wait and see. So just decided to go around the actual edge with that gold. I lose a lot of that because, you know, resin starts to flatten and kind of run down the sides in certain areas. But you know, it is what it is. You expect that, and you do it with the expectation that that's what's going to happen, but it still will create some interesting effects. So I'm going around with the heat gun, with the torch rather, and now just using like a pointy object, any kind of pointy object that you have, like a kebab stick or anything like that that's got that pointy edge, and just go over that gold. And that I find that really breaks it and makes it a little bit more unintentional. It makes it more natural, I think. So just adding a little bit more of the crushed glass and some of my diamond dust white glass, crushed glass glitter, which is super fine. It's like 100 grit, and it's just so beautiful and shimmery. You can't really see it in the video at this stage, but you will see it in a close-up. So I'm just going around and adding that on the edges as well. I do lose some of them. They do kind of drip over, and you can even see, like on the edges, how that's creating a super cool effect. Even those edges that the resin is running off, so it's making it really nice and natural like. So adding some diamond dust silver crushed glass right now, and I don't think I mentioned that in the center there I added some blue crystals and some pink crystals, which are the strawberry crystal gems. They really pop, and they smooth and soften the whole scene. And as you can see, it just doesn't look like anything super special at the moment, but this is just the beginning. This is there goes that strawberry pink gemstone. And I don't plan for any of this to happen. I just go with it, and I just see whatever feels right at the time, at the given moment. And that's what I do, and I think that's what you should do too. Just go with your instincts. So it's just adding more character. Okay, so here she is. Oh, I found some drips, and I thought I might just pop them on there for the next layer. If I can get this one off. This one's really stuck on there. It was a little bit sticky, but that's all right. Looks like it belongs there, doesn't it? Okay, so here she is. She looks quite pretty and very delicate like. So I am ready for the next layer. So please stay tuned and wait for the next video where I actually make this look super spectacular. Here are some close-ups. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.